Good afternoon. Today is going to be a quick fast track unboxing of the Anker Solix C1000X. One of the reasons I know this is going to be a fast track because I bought two of these batteries. Really liked it a lot. I already opened the first one, so this is going to be really short and sweet. And we have another box. All right, here we are, the Anker Solix C1000X. Okay, now that we have our second box exposed, we'll do the same. We will lift the battery out of the box. Let's remove all of this plastic. And there you go. This is really pretty simple for the fast track mode. Okay, so now all we do is we take our battery, hit this power button. Can you tell it's coming on? I've got a fan out here, so to activate this fan, we're going to press this button. And we all know how to plug things in. Look at that. It couldn't be any easier. Now, in addition to the battery, we get this box that has 3 cables. Those are for your solar power chargers. This is so you can charge from your car. This is what we use to recharge the battery itself. It couldn't be any simpler. We have a 3-prong plug for the wall outlet. We take this female end here, plug it in like so. That goes in your wall. And so for your fast track lesson, this is it. Take it out of the box. If it doesn't already have a charge it using this cord here. After you power it on with this button, remember to turn on these plugs here with this button here. And that concludes today's fast track. Do you run tournaments for up to 128 players or teams? Try a free trial of Bailey's Sports Brackets. Visit tournamentboss.com to get a free trial now. Share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.